In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a mobile app using Passion.io, an intuitive platform perfect for creators and coaches looking to establish their digital presence effortlessly. To begin your journey into app creation, the first step is to visit the Passion.io website, which is lauded as the #1 app builder for creators and coaches. Passion.io offers a user-friendly interface with powerful tools to transform your ideas into a functional mobile application. Simply type Passion.io into your browser and hit enter. On the homepage, you'll find a wealth of resources and testimonials that illustrate how Passion.io has been a game changer for many users. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the site and get a sense of the creative possibilities within your reach. Next, let's delve into how it works. Passion.io simplifies app building into 3 straightforward steps: signing up, building, and launching. This cohesive process demystifies app development, making it accessible even if you don't have extensive technical expertise. It's crucial to understand that Passion.io is structured to empower you to make lasting connections with your audience through a mobile app that reflects your unique vision and brand. Now, let's get you signed up. Head over to the sign up page on Passion. Here you'll need to create an account, which is a quick and seamless process. Simply fill in your details, including your email address and a secure password. Once you've confirmed your account via a verification email, you'll gain access to a suite of design tools at your disposal. I recommend taking your time during this phase to explore the various templates and style options that Passion.io offers. These templates serve as a foundation, giving you a versatile starting point to customize and elevate according to your specific needs. After signing up, it's time to get creative with the drag and drop builder. This tool is the heart of Passion.io's appeal, allowing you to design your app layout with grace and precision. You can add features such as videos, quizzes, and community feeds, crafting an interactive experience tailored to your audience. As you build, keep user experience in mind and ensure that navigation remains intuitive and seamless. Remember, this stage is where you can let your creativity shine, knowing you can adjust and rearrange features with just a few clicks. Finally, once you're satisfied with your app's design and functionality, it's time to launch and grow. Passion.io guides you through publishing your app to ensure it reaches both iOS and Android users. After launch, analyze engagement metrics to refine your app further and enhance user satisfaction. Continue engaging your audience by consistently updating content and features, ensuring your app remains a dynamic and valuable resource. By following these steps, you're not just building an app, you're crafting a powerful tool that helps you connect with your audience on a deeper level. Enjoy the process and watch your vision come to life through Passion.io.